up your 4-hour chart, it's as easy as you make it. You go to the daily time frame, restart, find your bottom and your top. Okay, you can look for either engulfing candles, or of course you can look for the peak before the dips before the peaks, right? Dips before the peaks to find your supply and demand. Go to the 4-hour because we don't really care about that far away, especially on an instrument like this. Go to the 4-hour, reset your chart. Well, this one's reset, hence my little doohickey is gone. We're pointing up currently, so we need our targets up more so than down because we're moving up. We already talked about this at the beginning of class saying, hey, we've got some structure. We're looking for a spring possibly. If it retests 50% of that engulfing candle, we're looking for the break and the continuation. And if not, we're looking for it to break above. So we already knew that. We just got some of y'all caught the sell and the break up. Some of y'all caught the break up, and that's it. But other than that, simple, guys. You're only looking for areas of interest. You can find them with quarter points, measured moves, engulfing candles. You can find them with harmonics, which is measured moves. You can find them with all kinds of different ways, but pick a style that works best for you. Mark up your zones, do it consistently, and then trade them.